Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about Voltix AI Depin airdrop. Okay, Voltix AI Depin airdrop. It is not actually a new airdrop. It has been quite some time, but you can be able to do it because it is still under the Solana blockchain, the same way we have NODEPAY, all right, and which I have covered in my previous videos. All right, so in addition to that, if you want to get any first-hand information about other Depin airdrops, you can head over to a playlist section on my video where you can be able to check them all out completely. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. So Voltix Depin airdrop is similar to Grass, NodePay, Teneo protocol, block mesh, Dom Validator, Blessed Network, etc. All right, so we know how important Depin airdrops are, as well as testnet airdrops, which you should be focusing your attention into, all right, as well as Spy Network in addition to that. So let's just get started and I'm going to walk you through completely. So the first thing that you need to be able to do is to click the link in the description as well as the pinned comment for the Chrome extension. All right, so for the Chrome extension, you need to be able to get the Chrome extension and add it. I'm using this video for a PC, but I'll also cover the phone version for those who are using their phones to be able to mine. That if you don't have a laptop, I'm also going to cover it for the phone version, but all of them is still the same process. So now that I'm currently downloading the extension, then I can come over here. All right, so the extension has been downloaded, right? So as you can see it right here first. So I'll just close here, and one of the key things that I normally do anytime that I download an extension is to toggle it on, right? So I'll toggle it on and it is already active. So as you can see right here, so I'll just click on it and allow it to load first. So this is what it is showing me for me to be able to connect my wallet. But before I do that, I have to go over to the official website, which is also in the description, that you can be able to see right here and be able to start it. Okay, so once you click the link in the description as well as the one in the pinned comment, it will take you to the official dashboard. So you need to be able to do these 4 activities first before you can be able to initiate your Chrome extension. So the first thing that you need to do is to jump on the website, on the link. Then you can be able to come here, and we have already navigated into the extension. That's what we have done. Then the second thing is to add the Chrome extension, which you have done. Then the third will be to connect our wallets. All right, so we need to connect our wallet into it. So I'll just press the connect my wallet. Then it will show whether I want to use a Phantom wallet or a Soulflare. Then I can be able to connect my Phantom wallet right here. Okay, so I'm connecting my Phantom wallets at the moment. So the next thing that I need to be able to do is just for me to be able to impute my password for my wallet. All right, so depending on yours, so I'll just impute mine. Okay, I've imputed my Phantom wallet address. So it is telling me to connect to Vox AI. So I'll just press on connect here, which is now going to connect. That's open another third window for me to be able to complete every single thing in terms of sign up. So I'll sign up and connect. So what it now means is that I've now connected my wallet into this airdrop. All right, so it has now started mining for me automatically. It just opened my network. That's the Chrome extension that we're already using right here. It has just automatically opened it. So if you click on it, you are going to see several things. That's reconnect, task, change theme. I can change theme, maybe like dark mode or whatever. That's which is one of the key things that I normally like to do. Then you're already seeing it here that I've already started mining. Okay, so these are my average time. This is my hash rate. Then it is already downloading my model. That's model easy and etc. So I have 10 points at the moment before I can be able to start training my model, so it can be able to give me more points. So you don't need to stop training. It's already training because it's active. That's where my Wi-Fi icon is already. So my icon as well as the Chrome extension is now active now that I've actually imputed my wallets. All right, so I'll just close here, and this is now the first step. So as you can see right here in the status right here, it is now showing that my airdrop, it is now running. I just zoomed in, it is now running. That's my Chrome extension is now running. So basically that one is the first step for us to be able to do. Then the second thing is to come to your referral section, where you can be able to send out your referral links to your friends, or if you're using multiple phones, you can be able to send referral links to it. Okay, then the next will be the airdrop section. This one is actually one of the most important things that you need to be able to take into account. So the airdrop section is just like a dashboard on the total points that you have earned, but the task section, all right, so is where you need to be able to focus to be able to earn extra more points. What you need to do here is to follow Cypher XBT on X, follow Vox AI just the same way you have here on their official Twitter account, which is what you're seeing, as you're already seeing it here. Then follow AZN, their official Discord, drop a review on Chrome Web Store, visit their website, add this to your name, to your Telegram name, to this, as well as invite your first friends to be able to get any form of extra points. So basically, it is still the same thing that you need to be able to do your daily task. You can retweet from them, you can like their post, as well as comments on their account, so for you to be able to get extra daily boost. I don't need to be able to do them, but I'm just going to show you what you need to be able to do to be able to accumulate more points immediately. In addition to that, you can be able to see the leaderboard for yourself. That's if you have made it into the leaderboard. But basically, this task is one of the most important things that you need to be able to do. So you have other people who are earning over 1.158 million, that's like influencers or top guys that already started doing it. Then you can be able to do the task. So one thing about Depin Airdrop is that you don't need to be able to wait, just keep doing it, because you can be able to accumulate more points once you are active. Some people can start early, but they are not active in terms of their mining, all right? Then you can be able to still accumulate your points and go your way. So the next one is the sales node, all right? So if you want to buy any form of Voltix node, all right, here, it's for 1 Solana. I don't have 1 Solana, but you can be able to do it if you want to, all right? So the next will be your live nodes, all right, which is just normal in terms of the account. But the most important are these ones, which is your dashboard, referrals, as well as getting every single thing related to your node Chrome extension active and running. So basically, that's every single thing related to Voltix AI airdrop, Depin airdrop. My name is Odish Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.